Hi friends, welcome back. I'm so glad you're here. In today's video, we'll make two interactive cards that are very easy and fun to make. These are called the pull tab slider cards. So let's get started. For the first card, we'll build a scene of a girl peeking from behind a wall. So for this, I'll need 3 cardstock pieces. On one, I'll draw a tree and a wall. On the second, I'll draw a sun. And on the third piece, I'll draw a girl. I'll speed up the video so that you don't get bored watching me draw and color. I'll speak to you again when I'm done coloring. Our illustrations are ready, so let's quickly fussy cut them. Now let's put our scene together and also make the slider mechanism. First, I'm going to line up my tree and wall with the sun card and then I'll trace their outline. Next, to build the slider mechanism, I'll mark up to where I want the girl to come up through the slider. I'll also position her head exactly in line with the wall marking so that I know how low the slider tab can go. Now, I'll draw 2 parallel lines for making the slit in the card. I'm making sure that these lines are a little shorter than the markings that I just made on the top and the bottom of the card. For the slider tab, I have taken a half-inch strip which is longer than the card base. Don't worry if the strip length is too much, as we can always trim it later. I'm marking half-inch margins from the center of the slit so that my slider tab is perfectly aligned with the slit. Let's stick a small piece of foam tape at the bottom of the margin. This will act as a stopper for the tab. Also, stick tapes all over the cardstock except for the central margin. As you can see, our tab perfectly fits in the central cavity. Holding the tab in the center, stick a small piece of foam tape on the tab at the lowest end of the slit. This too acts as a stopper. Remove the tape's backing and stick the girl over the tape. Make sure that her head is not above the wall marking. Next, pull the tab upwards up to the level of the wall and now stick a small piece of tape on the tab at the top end of the slit. This way, the girl will not slide too much above the wall marking. Make sure your tape pieces are small and do not hinder the movement of the slider tab. See, our slider mechanism works perfectly. Now, stick tape all around the girl, making sure that no tape comes in the way of the slider. This foam tape dimension gives enough room for our slider to move easily. Take off the tape backing and stick the wall scene over it. Similarly, give foam tape dimension to the card base and stick it on a note card. Now let's write a sentiment on the card. And here's our first card. Isn't this fun? Let's start with the second card. To save time, I have already made my seashore illustrations. Here, for the slider mechanism, I have made a slit on a small cardstock piece. This piece fits exactly below the water. Next, I am marking the margins for my slider tab from the center of the slit, and now I'll put tape above these lines. Let's write a sentiment on the card. Stick the slit panel on the base card and slide your tab through it. As we did in our previous card, stick a small piece of foam tape at the left corner of the slit. Here, I have stuck 2 cardstock feet to my boat which are long enough to reach the foam tape on the slider tab. Stick the left feet on the tape first. Stick the tape exactly below the second feet on the slider tab. And here, our boat is sailing over the waves. I'll cut off the excess tab peeking out from the left side of the card. Now, let's conceal our slider tab with the beach illustration. Except for the top, stick double-sided tape on all the 3 sides of the slider panel. Remove the tape backing and stick the beach illustration over the slider. And there you go, our second card is ready. So, I hope you found this tutorial exciting and you'll definitely try out these cards. Do check out my previous videos that you may have missed. And if you're here for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel for more such fun and interesting content. I will see you in my next video. Bye and take care.